Today, I'll show you how to unblock friends on Bereal. If you blocked someone before and now want to reconnect, Bereal has a simple built-in way to reverse it. Bereal's official help center says you can unblock someone from your blocked users list inside the app's privacy settings. It also explains that when you block someone, they are automatically removed from your friends list. That means after unblocking them, you may still need to send a new friend request if you want to become friends again. To get started, open the Bereal app and go to your profile. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, open Privacy, then tap Blocked Users. Bereal's official instructions say this is the section where your blocked list appears. Now find the person you want to unblock. Next to their name, tap the X button, then confirm the action. According to Bereal's Help Center, that removes them from your blocked list and restores normal interaction permissions. Here's the important part to remember. Bereal says blocking someone does more than just hide them. A blocked user cannot send you friend invitations, see or react to your Bereal posts, view your profile information, or see reactions you leave on other Bereal posts. And if they were your friend before, blocking them also unfriends them automatically. So after unblocking, they are not always added back as a friend by default. You may need to send them a new invite yourself. If you don't see the blocked list, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And if something still doesn't work, Bereal's Help Center says you can contact support through the app by going to Profile, then the three-dot menu, then Help, and then Contact Us. So, in simple terms, open your profile, tap the three dots, go to Privacy, open Blocked Users, tap the X next to the person's name, and confirm. That's the official way to unblock someone on Bereal, and that's how to unblock friends on Bereal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.